everyone, Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new or a returning viewer and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to a Michael Kors double unboxing. Yes, I said it. Another Michael Kors double unboxing, guys. So we're gonna go straight into this video. So I did already open up both of the packages so it'll be easier. So I'm gonna start off with the smaller item that I got here. Both of these are, I guess you consider a bag, but I'm not sure why Michael Kors put it in this envelope style bag instead of sending me a box, but it is what it is, especially after I already raved about Michael Kors gift wrapping. So it is what it is. I didn't do gift wrapping this time, so I guess that's why they didn't do it, but it is what it is. All right, so here is my first item that I picked up. Now I do have to blame this purchase on my girl Mono's Beauty, because I did see this on her channel recently, where she showed her unboxing of this particular bag, and I absolutely loved it. Now I bought it for different intentions, but it is what it is. I still had to add it to my collection, and it is the Zoe Small Pebbled leather Pochette. Okay, and hopefully you guys can see that on the sticker. And this one is in the color Safari Green. So let me go ahead and take it out. All right, that is what it's looking like. She is such a cutie. All right, and here is the tag for it, as well as the style number. Okay, so this is the small Zoe. Like I said, it is a leather pochette, and I am loving how stylish and practical this cutie is. Now it does come with the beautiful buckled hardware on here too. So we are going to go ahead and take off some of this wrapping so we can see it better. All right, guys, so I am absolutely loving this buckle detailing here on the bag, guys. This is really, really, really cute. It gives more of a vintage feel. I am so loving it, y'all. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this bag is considered a pochette. You can wear it as a short shoulder, but you can also unbuckle one end of it, and you can clip it on the opposite end here and rock it as a wristlet as well too. So let's go ahead and do that. Oops. All right, so you can clip it on this end, and you can rock it as a wristlet like so. And I absolutely love it both ways. But guys, you can also wear this as a crossbody as well too. If you have like the Michael Kors web crossbody straps from like any of your crossbody bags, you can clip it to both ends and rock this as a crossbody as well too. So I love how convertible this cute little pochette is. So let's go over some of the details on this beautiful bag. It does come with all gold hardware on here. I love the buckle detailings on the front. They are two functional magnetic snap closures. So here you go with the pockets here. And these pockets are pretty big, where you can fit like maybe your Apple AirPods if you have them, as well as maybe your iWalk charger. And I think I have my... So I do have my Apple AirPods handy. So let's see if that fits down in there. Yep. So as you guys can see, it fits in there, and it still snaps closed. So as you can see, it still snaps closed. And I believe I have my iWalk charger. So let me see if that'll fit in the other pocket. All right, so that's my iWalk charger. Is it going to fit in there? All right, so it's in there. Let's see if it'll close. So it won't snap, but it does fit in that pocket. I don't know if I can turn it around. Hold on, guys. Yeah. So the iWalk charger, it will fit in there, but it won't snap close. As you guys can see, the snap doesn't quite fit. But if you wanted to put it in there and not snap it closed, you can definitely do that. But just for those of us who do have the iWalk charger, it fits in the pocket, but it won't snap closed. Just FYI. But I'm pretty sure you can put other smaller items in here, like maybe a lip gloss, maybe even your hand sanitizer will fit in there. The Bath and Body Works pocket bag will fit in here. You can put like your Purell singles in there as well too. Maybe even a pack of gum will fit inside of that really cute buckle pocket on the front. Now on the back, it doesn't come with any zipper compartments. And then it is a top zipper closure. And in the inside of this pochette, guys, okay, so it doesn't have any card slots or slip pockets on the front or the back wall. You just get that leather Michael Kors patch right there, stamped in gold. And a nice light interior so you can see inside of the bag. Now, I did pick this up, guys, so that I can use it as a catch-all in my bags. Not so much so as a pochette or a wristlet, but I absolutely love the option, y'all. So I'm starting to carry smaller bags on the weekend. So this would be kind of fun to use as a crossbody just to see what all I can fit in it. So yeah, if I do carry this soon as a crossbody on the weekend, I will definitely come back and share with you guys what all fits into her. So let's go over the measurements of this cutie really quickly before we move on to bag number 2. So the measurements are as follows for this bag. The width of the bag is 9 inches. The height of the bag is 4.25 inches, and the depth of the bag is 1.75, and the handle drop is 8.5 inches, guys. So you definitely get enough room to throw this cutie on your shoulder like so. I absolutely love that, guys. Now this does come in several different colors. I did pick this up while it was on sale on Michael Kors. I do believe like Belk and Macy's carry a few different other colors in this particular pochette as well too. Currently, certain colors are running on sale at Michael Kors for like, I want to say like $68 if I'm not mistaken. The original price is $98. There's a really cute pink one on there. I think it's called like Wild Berry or whatever. Super, super cute. I'm thinking about picking it out, but that one is not currently on sale. It is the original price, which is $98. So I'm hoping if it goes on sale, I'll be able to snag that one as well too, guys. So yes, Michael Kors Zoe Small Pebbled Leather Pochette in the color Safari Green. All right, so bag number 2. I have so many of you content creators that I enjoy watching to blame for this purchase, but I saw this bag on DJ King's channel. I saw it on my Miss Percival. I also saw it on Mono's Beauty, and as well as my girl, The Noble Strength. So with that being said, I have all you ladies to blame for this particular purchase, but it is what it is. I have been eyeing this bag for like 2 years now on Michael Kors, and I've been waiting on this bag to go on sale. And it does go on sale on and off, but still not a price that I was comfortable with. And when Michael Kors did their additional 20% off for their summer sale, I went ahead and added to cart immediately, guys. And it is none other than the beautiful Manhattan, y'all. Your girl is so excited to finally have this beautiful bag in her collection. And like I said, I did watch several, sorry guys, that was upside down. Okay, that's upside down. Get it together, girl. Okay, so I did watch several of you guys unboxing what's in my bags on this particular bag, and I was like, bump it. It was at a phenomenal price of $119, so I went ahead and added to cart. Now, this bag is still currently available on the site for $149 plus an additional 20% off, guys. It will add the 20% when you add it to cart, okay? Y'all, it's so gorgeous. Oh, this bag is stunning. It is stunning. Oh my gosh. This bag is gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so let's take all this stuff off super fast because this is staying. It's not going nowhere. Michael Kors has this thing wrapped to the gods. I mean, it is truly wrapped. Okay. Oh, this bag is gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So they're calling this the this is the medium Manhattan leather contrast trim satchel. Okay, that's the name that they're calling it on the site. It does come with all the beautiful neon trimming on the bag. So like the hot pink, you have the neon orange. Let's remove this out of the way. You have the neon yellow green trim here. The beautiful pink here as well as on the bottom. Like, this bag lacks no detail whatsoever. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, on top of the beautiful neon contrast that's on here, it does come with the iridescent hardware on here and studs here on the sides, both sides of the bag. Absolutely gorgeous. And Michael Kors did not skimp on details when it came to this beautiful bag, all the way down to the martini glasses that's stitched on both sides of the bag. Just gorgeous, y'all. I mean, the stud detailing is everywhere on the bag, from the top handle to the sides to even on the bottom bumpers as well too. Absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see, the bag doesn't come with feet, but it does come with the bumpers on both sides of the bag. And then it is a top handle carry as well as a crossbody, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. And you do get your flip lock closure right here, which I think is just so cute. Now, this is a classic looking bag, very stylish, but it gives off that really beautiful trunk style bag as well too, y'all. Vintage trunk style. I am loving that. Let's get into the measurements before we jump into the inside of the bag. So the measurements that Michael Kors have for the Manhattan on the site is the width of the bag is 10 inches, the height of the bag is 7.25, and then the depth of the bag is 4 inches. So you do get a good bit of room at the bottom of the bag as well too. Now, as far as the crossbody goes on here, it is anywhere from as short as 19 inches, but as long as 21 inches. So definitely keep that in mind. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and take a peek in the inside. So this is how you open it up. You just lift up this flap and it opens up the bag, and the first thing you do see is this beautiful exterior pocket here. And this is big enough for you to put your cell phone in as well too. So that's just what that pocket looks like. Okay, and then on top they do have the crossbody. All right, so let's check out the crossbody really quickly. All right, so the crossbody does come with the neon orange trimming on it. And then it does have the iridescent hardware on it. And it does say Michael Kors on the hardware as well too. So hopefully you guys can see that. It does say Michael Kors. And it is adjustable here. All right, so in the inside of the bag, guys, you do get a back zipper compartment. All right, so you do get a back zipper compartment, as well as a interior slip pocket here as well. And then you get that 100% polyester lining in the inside as well too, and it is black. Now this beautiful bag did come in several different colors in the past, but currently on the site is only available in either all white or this beautiful black background. Okay, now it does come with the crossbody D-rings in the interior of the bag. There's one on this side, and then the other one is here on this side, and I love the way that that looks. I don't like when the crossbody has to be attached to the handle, especially if it's like on one side of the handle and then on the opposite side. I hate that. So I love that Michael Kors put the D-rings on the inside because it does hide it, but it's also on either side of the bag. I'm so here for this bag, and I see why all you ladies love this bag and rave about this bag so much. It is just so gorgeous, y'all. This bag is beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to carry this beautiful bag, y'all. This is so me. Do y'all see this bag with the colors that's in the background? Y'all, I'm so here for it. Like, so cute. I cannot wait to put this on my shelf, y'all. Welcome, darling. Welcome, darling, to Minnie's handbags. Okay, y'all. She is a cutie. So she is definitely a keeper, y'all. I will say that white is a beautiful color, and I know Mo has this in white. Sis, I don't know how you do that all white bag. Maybe one day I'll be grown enough to carry an all white bag. But right now, your girl ain't ready for it. Not ready for it. But this black right here, she is gorgeous. And she is staying in my collection. Love, love, love her. Love her. Okay? Y'all. So if you are interested in the Michael Kors Manhattan, like I said, Michael Kors Outlet has this bag on sale, guys, for $119. You cannot beat that price because it's usually around I want to say like between $169 and $149. So for $119, you can't beat that, guys. Like, if I wasn't afraid of an all white bag, I probably would have picked out both colors, y'all. This bag is gorgeous. Okay, just gorgeous. And I love the neon colors. Okay. All right, guys. So if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Please also make sure to like this video and share, and drop down in the comments and let me know, guys, do you have a Manhattan in your collection? And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.